Yeah, I've spent a lot of time with the working on the car the last couple of days because of my overheating and stalling situation. Run a few tests on it, and one thing I've noticed, runs really good when it's cool. When it's cold and I first start it up, it runs perfect. Runs like a brand new engine. That's an open loop. As soon as it warms up and goes into closed loop, it starts running really rough. So I'm not sure what's going on. I keep working on it Monday probably when I get back to it. But I just thought I'd keep everybody updated on what's going on. I'm not sure what that is. I'll probably look at the cooling temperature sensor on the front of the engine block up there Monday, and I'll probably start digging into the distributor. I don't know, maybe ignition control module, because I have looked at the oxygen sensor and everything appears to be pretty good on that. I did not check voltage at the electronic control module on the oxygen sensor, but all the wiring to the sensor looks pretty good. I haven't got into that yet. I guess I'll look at that. There's no, I don't really know. I can't really say at this point what the situation is. Just have to wait and see. But, anyway, that's where I'm at. Still working on her. And I hope you guys have a nice weekend.